Before we start today's review, I would just like to mention we here at GrumpyMan's Reviews never claim to be experts on any product we review.
We just give you our opinion as a normal user, then you decide if the product is for you or not. With that being said, welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we are looking at the LASGOO laser level. I did read somewhere that a green laser light is better than red. As always, link in the description if you want to pick this up or know more about it.
I should also mention LASGOO were kind enough to offer 10% off for you guys. I will leave the code in the description box below. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated, and please subscribe to watch more reviews.
If you use a laser leveler or if you know anything about them, and if we get anything wrong, let us know in the comment section below. Right, let's get on with the video.
Comes in a nice case. It's a carry case. That's quite secure, that. It's well padded.
We get an instruction manual. It comes in different languages. We get a USB-A to USB Type-C cable.
We get a removable battery which has a charging port there. So the beauty about this is you could either charge the battery within the laser leveler or by itself. This will give you a runtime of around 10 hours, and of course if you do need another battery you could just as easily pick one up. This battery is 2600 milliamp hour. If anyone's interested, they could see there.
And we also do get a remote control.
This also comes with a magnetic stand, and you could see there it has a cutout there, so you can mount this as well. And at the back we have the two magnets, and they are quite strong then, as you can see now the way it's stuck on to the metal stand here. We have some measurements there. The one on the left, it's to lock it in place, and the one on my right, it's to adjust it. That part will fit under the laser leveler to mount the laser leveler on there. At the bottom we have two tripod mounts. One's for a normal tripod, one's for a heavy duty tripod. Build quality on this is really good.
The remote, the H stands for the horizontal light, so if I press that, it will turn off the horizontal laser. Put it back on. The V1 stands for the first vertical laser light. Press that, this one will turn off. You turn it back on. V2 stands for the second vertical laser light. When I press that, that one on this side will turn off. You turn it back on. And you can also adjust the brightness. So on the bottom we have two mounting threads. We have a 1/4 one for your normal tripods, and we have a 3/8 one for your heavy duty tripods. We have a charger port on the back if you want to charge the battery within the laser leveler. It doesn't come with an adapter. You can use your phone adapter or a power bank. Speaking of which, we have reviewed many power banks on this channel, which we will link in the description box down below and in the iCard if you want to watch them reviews. We have a nice secure rubber seal here, which no water or dust should get in there. Speaking of which, this is IP54 waterproof and dustproof. On the side we have a lock switch. When I push the lock switch, it will turn on the lights. Now, if I move the laser leveler, it will start flashing. That means it's in automatic mode and it wants to auto self level. To put it in manual mode, if you flick the lock switch and hold the power button, the lights will turn on, and then if you move the laser leveler, as you can see, the lights will not flash. That means you are in manual mode. We have three 360 degree laser lights. We have one horizontal one and two vertical ones, which are protected. On the top here, we have the power button, the vertical one, which would be this light. We have the vertical 2, which would be this laser, and we have the horizontal, which would be the top. Now, You can control the brightness by repeatedly pushing the power button. So it does have a pulse mode. Pulse mode is only available in the auto self leveling mode. So to enter pulse mode, you will make sure it's in auto self leveling mode. Then you would hold the power button down. And when this top light starts flashing, that means you have entered pulse mode. Pulse mode would be very helpful in brighter and larger environments.
As you can see, this does cover a large area. Build quality is really good on this. This tool is not only useful for people in the building trade, it is also useful for DIY. In our case, it will really help us in building our media wall. So let us know in the comment section below what you think, and don't forget to use the 10% discount code if you want to pick this up. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.